You've been thinking of how to track the location of a person using the IP address, but you don't know how. This is the right channel for you. I go by the name of Official RB, and this channel is Jack Army. Welcome once again. If you know you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, like this video, tell me in the comment section if this video was helpful to you. Okay, so for today we are going to use the IP address, and if you don't know what the IP address is just the address of any computer connected to the internet. I have a video on what the IP address really is, so you can watch it from here or try this one, and everyone is going to work for you. Then you can come back and then watch this video. So let's go straight into the video. Okay, so we are back on our PC screen. So for our previous video we did learn how to find the IP address of any website. So for today I'm going to teach you how you can find the location of any IP address. So either it's a website or someone's machine, you are looking for the location in the bar. So it's simple. So let's go to it. So if you've not watched the other video, this is what we did to find the location of the words, find the IP address of the website. So you are going to use the command ping to find if the website is up, and if it's up, it's going to reply to us using its IP address. So ping google.com. okay, we are going to do google.com, and then we click on enter, and then we can see that yes, it's live. So pinging google.com. So the IP address is 142.250.185 and then .14. So that's the IP address. So we are going to copy it. Okay, so you can try this if you are doing any penetration testing on any website or any IP. Okay, then we can go to our browser and then we search for IP location finder. Okay, so IP location finder. So we click on that, and then we go to the first website you see, which is the IP address lookup. So you click on it, and then this is what you do. You paste the IP address in the website. Yes, so wait for it to load, and then you come here. So IP location finder. So you can either input the IP address or the IP version 4 or 6 or the domain name. So for us, we have only the IP address, so we paste it, and then we click on IP lookup, and then boom, there's it. So the IP address 142.250.185, it's in the country USA. Okay, and then the ISP is Google LLC. So that's the internet service provider, and this is the IP address of Google. Okay, so the organization is not available. The region is in California, and then the city is in Mountain View. So we know that Google is in California, USA, Mountain View. So that's simple. And then it has other IP addresses. So geolocation data from DB IP shows that this IP address also is coming from Spain, region Madrid, and the city to also Madrid. Also organization Google LLC. So with that one we see that the organization is Google LLC, and with the IP registry.co is telling us that it's from google.com with the bar. So Mountain View, California, so Germany and other stuff. So this is very simple. If this video was helpful to you, consider hitting the subscribe button, like the video, tell me in the comment section if this video was helpful to you. And I have tons of videos that I've done. You can go to my playlist, my ethical hacking, cybersecurity playlist, programming playlist. You can go through all, and then you can watch these videos, and they are going to help you. You can tell me in the comment section the video you want me to do for you, and then have a link to my WhatsApp, Jack Army Academy. You can also join. It's free. We do everything cybersecurity, everything ethical hacking, everything technology, the inside. I go by the name of Official RB. Thank you for watching, and then consider subscribing so that anytime I upload new videos you also get yours, and then you can watch them fast and then practice. So that's all for today. Charlie, boom, I'm out.